When looking at credit cards, do you prioritize simple cash back on everything or premium points for travel and specific spending? That's the core question when comparing Rogers, Scotiabank, and American Express credit cards. They each play a different game, and the best one for you comes down to your spending habits and financial goals. Let's break down where each issuer shines. The cashback contender, Rogers. Rogers is the champion of straightforward cash back, particularly with their flagship no annual fee card, the Rogers Red World Elite MasterCard. Its biggest draw is the flat rate reward. You earn a strong 1.5% cash back on almost all your purchases, which can even jump to 2% if you're a Rogers, Fido, or Shaw customer. This simplifies rewards significantly, no need to track bonus categories. Rogers is also fantastic for spending in US dollars, offering a higher cash back rate on those purchases, which effectively neutralizes the typical 2.5% foreign transaction fee most cards charge. But remember, its biggest value is tied to being a Rogers family customer, and while it's a MasterCard, it typically offers less in terms of premium travel perks like complimentary lounge access compared to Scotiabank's or AmEx's high-tier offerings. The hybrid player, Scotiabank. Scotiabank, with cards like the Scotiabank Gold American Express and its Scene Plus rewards program, offers a hybrid point structure that's great for daily spending and travel. Scotiabank is all about high multipliers in specific categories. For instance, their Gold Amex often gives you big points on groceries, dining, and entertainment, much higher than Rogers' flat rate. Those points are collected in the flexible Scene Plus program, which you can redeem for movies, travel, gift cards, or a credit against almost any travel purchase. A key benefit on some Scotiabank travel cards is the waiver of foreign transaction fees, making it an excellent card to use when traveling abroad. The catch? You have to remember which categories earn the most points, and their top-tier cards usually come with a moderate annual fee. The Travel and Premium Specialist, American Express. American Express, or AmEx, is the go-to for premium travel rewards and high-value points. Cards like the AmEx Cobalt are legendary for their points-earning power. While some AmEx cards offer great cash back, their real strength is the highly flexible membership rewards, MR, points. You can earn massive points, often 5 points per dollar, on categories like food and groceries. The great part about Mr. Points is that they can be transferred to partner airline programs like Aeroplan, often unlocking much higher value than the simple cash value of the point. The drawback? Amex has lower merchant acceptance in Canada compared to MasterCard and Visa, meaning you'll need a backup card for stores like Costco or certain grocers. Also, their top-tier cards carry the highest annual fees, but these are often offset by luxury perks like airport lounge access and annual travel credits. Ultimately, a lot of people find the best strategy is to use a combination, an Amex for the high multiplier categories like food, and a Rogers or Scotiabank as the backup for everywhere else. Your perfect card isn't about the name on it, it's about the rewards that match your wallet. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.